students, namaste and welcome to our online virtual English class, and it is organized by Golden Sungava English Secondary School, and it's me, your teacher Krishna Shrestha. I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Now let's start our class. Okay, today I will teach you subject English and grade 3, and here is your language link book of grade 3, and today I will teach you lesson 1. In this chapter we'll learn 4 topics, and today we'll discuss about in these topic. Okay, I will write one by one topic name and I will again explain one by one. Okay students, let's start. Okay, first of all, number A. Number A is picture talk. Yes. P-I-C-U-R-E. Picture. T-A-L-K. Talk. Picture talk. Now second number is, B number is alphabet warmer. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet W-A-R-M-E-R. Warmer. Okay, next is C number. Conversation. C-O-N-V-E-R. Convert. S-A-T-I-O-N. Conversation. Okay, last number is D number. D number is grammar focus. G-R-A-M-M-A-R. Grammar. F-O-C-U-S. Focus. Now, today we'll discuss about in this topic. Okay, let's start. First, picture talk. In picture talks, we can see here 3 pictures. Yes, one of boy and other is girl, and next is that also boy. The boy named Runik. Runik is describing himself and his cousin, sister and brother. Now I will read this and listen carefully. Okay student? Okay, I am Runik. I am 8 years old. I am tall and thin. I have got curly hair and round face. I have got round eyes and small nose. I have no brothers and no sisters. I am an only child. Yes. Okay. Now next is Navya. Yes. He also describing Navya's. Okay. And Navya is his cousin sister. Okay. This is Navya. She is my cousin. She is 10 years old. She is 2 years older than me. She has got an oval face and long straight hair. She has got small mouth and big eyes. She has got a brother. Okay, here is her brother. Now we have to read also this. Yes, and this is Pukar. He is Navya's brother. He is short and he is 6 years old. He has got a square face with brown hair and blue eyes. Okay, in this topic we can learn how to describe two by looking their physically structure and body structure. Understood? Now look at the second row. In second row there are given some question. I will ask and I will answer it. Okay? First of all, number 1. Who is tall and at paragraph. Yes. And you have to search there. Okay. Who is tall and thin? Yes. Runik is tall and thin. Second number is, who is 8 years old? Yes. Who is 8 years old? Runik is 8 years old. Now next number is, how old is Navya? Navya is, yes, here is written, Navya is 10 years old. And has Runik got a brother? No, Runik has not got a brother. He has no brother. Okay, next question are also given here. I'll read, okay? Who has got curly hair? Runik has a curly hair. Who is older than Runik? Navya is older than Runik. How old is Pukar? Pukar is 6 years. 6 years old. Yeah, here is written. Yes, we have to search here and write here. And what color is Pukar here? Pukar here is brown color. I hope you have all understand. And now next number. Here are given boxes which we have to fill it. And I have 2 pictures. And we have to fill to sing that picture. By seeing that picture. Understood? Now, okay, here are 2 pictures, yes? Yes. And we have to fill this box to sing this picture. By seeing this picture. Okay, I will ask and I will give the answer also. Okay, students? First of all, look at these pictures. Yes. Okay, is he tall or short? Yes, he is tall. So, you have to write in height column tall. Look at this picture. Is she tall or short? Yes, she is short. Okay, write down in height column short also. Now, look at hair color is brown. Yes, write down in hair column brown. And look at her hair is curly or straight. Her hair is curly. Write down in hair column curly. And now nose. Okay, the boy's nose is small. So you have to write here small. Okay, look at her nose. Her nose is long or small. Yes, her nose is long. Okay, now eyes turn. Now look at the eyes column. Okay, his eyes are big or small? Yes, his eyes are big. And look at the girl's eyes. Her eyes are small. Her eyes are small. Now write down in small and big. Now next is mouth. Look at his mouth. Yes, the boy's mouth is big. His mouth is big. Look at the girl's mouth. Yes, her mouth is small. Now next is face. Look at his face. His face is round or oval? Yes, round. And girl face is, she has got also round face. Like this you have to fill this all column. Understand? Okay, next topic. Next topic is alphabet warmer. Yes, in alphabet warmer we can see there are 4 children are standing there. Yes, they are standing by in alphabetical order. Okay, now first picture of girl. The girl named Anita. The Anita name start with A. A is the first letter of English alphabet. So she is standing first row. She is standing in first row. And second is the boy named Binod. The boy named Binod. Binod is Binod name start with B. B always come after A. So he is standing after Anita. Second row. He is standing in second row. Now look at the third picture. Yes, Deepa. Deepa also start with, Deepa name also start with D. Yes, so she is standing in third row because D comes after B. Now last picture is the boy named Gopal. Gopal's name start with G. So he is standing at last. In this topic, we can learn how to arrange in alphabetical order. I hope you all have understood. Okay, students. Now move on to the conversation. In conversation topic, we can see two pictures. We can see here two pictures. There are two girls who are going to the school, and another is one girl who is new girl at school. The two girls are describing or talking about that new girl. Okay, I'll read this conversation. Listen carefully. Okay, Bina said, there is a new girl at school. Do you know her? And Ruby said, no, I don't know. And Bina said, she has got curly hair down to her waist. She has got round face with bright eyes and a pointed nose. Ruby said, what is her name? Bina said, her name is Preeti. Ruby said, does she study in grade 3? Bina said, no, she studies in grade 5. Ruby said, is she from Dharan? And Bina said, yes, she is. Ruby said, oh, she is my sister's friend. Yes, like this you have to practice at your home. Okay, students. Now, next topic is grammar focus. In grammar focus, we have to see. We can see here in red mark. Yes, these are pronouns. And in this topic, I will teach you what is a pronouns and what are they. Okay, students. First, I'll read this sentence. I will read this sentence and I will explain too. Okay. Now, first of all, pronouns. My name is Rohan. Here is my is pronoun. And second number, I am 8 years old. I is pronoun. I have got a sister. Her name is Simi. Her and I are pronouns. She is three years younger than me. Yes, she and me are pronouns. I have got a brother. His name is Mahesh. I and his. These are pronouns. He is 4 years old. He is 4 years older than me. He and me are pronouns. I have got 2 cousins. Their names are Dibya and Anya. And I have got 2 cousins. Their names are Dibya and Anya. Their and I are pronouns. Next is they are 6 years old. They are twins. They is pronouns. We are happy children and we love to play and study. Yes, we is pronouns. I have some example are here of pronouns. I will explain and okay, look at here. It is pronoun. Okay, what is pronoun? Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. I will again repeat. Okay. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Okay. Next also I will show you. Okay. What are pronouns? Here are some examples. Okay. The word I, you, he, she, it, we, they are. Okay, I have next example of pronouns. I will show you. The word I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are pronouns that comes in the naming part of a sentence. These are coming in the naming part of sentence. You can also come in the telling part. You can also come in the telling part. Okay. Next, the pronouns. Yes, you. The pronouns you is used for both singular and plural nouns. You is always used in singular and plural, both nouns. Okay? Okay, for example, do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Are you all in same class? Are you all in same class? Like this example. Okay. Next, I have also next example. Look at this chart. Yes. I, he, she, it. These are used for only singular nouns. These are used for only singular noun. For example, I am a student. I am a student. He is my uncle. He is my uncle. She is my sister. She is my sister. It is a pen. It is a pen. These are singular sentence, or in this sentence we use singular pronouns. Understood? Now next is plural. We, they. These are used for plural nouns. These are used for plural noun. Okay, for example, we are happy. We are happy. They are twins. They are twins. Like this. Now next I have also the words me, him, her, it, us, you and them. These are also pronouns. Me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronouns. Okay, they come in the telling part of a sentence. They come in the telling part of a sentence. The last one is, okay, look at me, him, her, it. These are used for singular nouns. These are used for singular nouns. Okay, for example, she loves me. She loves me. I help him. I help him. She cleaned her room. She cleaned her room. It is a cat. It is a cat. Now next is plural. Yes. Us and them. These are used for plural. Okay, next is plural. Us and them are used for plural nouns. Us and them are used for plural. So, here are some examples. Father play with us. Father play with us. Teacher taught them. Teacher taught them. Okay. Now next is, look at the book. The second number is, there are incomplete paragraph. There is given a incomplete paragraph which we have to complete with suitable pronouns. Okay students, I will read and listen carefully. First of all, my name is Ragini. My name is Ragini and I study in grade 3. I study in grade 3. I am 8 years old. I am 8 years old. There are 6 members. There are 6 members in my family. In my family, yes. and they are my grandparents, parents, sisters and me. They are my grandparents, parents, sister and me. My grandfather is named Suvir. My grandparents' name is Suvir. He is 65 years old. He is 65 years old. My grandmother's name is Goma. My grandmother's name is Goma. She is 62 years old. She is 62 years old. My grandparents are elderly people. Yes, my grandparents are elderly people. They do not go to work. They do not go to work. They stay at home. They stay at home. I have got very caring parents. I have got very caring parents. Their names Kamal and Bina. Their names Kamal and Bina. My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. He teaches science in a school. He teaches science in a school. My mother is a nurse. My mother is a nurse and she works in a hospital. And she works in a hospital. I have got a sister. I have got a sister. She is 12 years old. She is 12 years old. She is 12 years old. She is 4 years older than me. She is 4 years older than me. Her name is Jenisha. Her name is Jenisha. I look very much alike. I look very much alike. We live in our house in Biratnagar. We live in our house in Biratnagar. We are a happy family. We are a happy family. Now like this, you have to also write about yourself and write in your text copy. Okay? You have to read this paragraph and write yourself. Okay, student? Okay, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye, students.